Ask him now there is fire on the mountain. VDM apeli go table. Cabo shaking apeli. Just not what much to say. I don't have much to say. But look at what is happening in this nation. Thank God for VDM that God used to expose these people. This is how they are running things in this nation. And abroad the first, abroad the last, abroad the second, God will be the last. But because of God wanted it to be exposed this time around, that's why VDMG stopped at the thing. Look at somebody that will line on a money laundering case. Before you know what is happening, they drop the case. Squeezing or spraying of money and the abuse of naira. They went to court. At the end of the day, after 6 months, did you want to go to that prison? The answer is no. Go to that prison. Somebody elsewhere, according to him, his godfather called Comptroller General of Prison. And also, his godfather, first of all, vowed that he or she will never enter that prison. That he's going to call the Comptroller General of the prison. About the man and ask the man that to make a available provision for this guy outside the prison, and they did. So outside the prison, kind of went 6 months now. What was in a prison? Of course, if you watching that go see on TV, you prison. So at the end of the day, he spent that 6 months out of the prison. Alone amen at this nation. Alone amen at this nation. So that is it. The law is made for the poor. Yes. When I'm going to go to Lato, if you are not rich in this country, if you are not rich and connected, you are nobody. Anything can happen to you. You can die. Carelessly, nobody will care for you. Look at what is happening. Bobrisky committed an offense of money laundering. They dropped the case, changed it to spraying of money, the abuse of naira. Finding guilty on that, still, instead of him to go to the prison, he stayed out of the prison. They find a accommodation elsewhere for him, and he stayed there. After a while, so some things happen, a change of money, this and that, come out, without even staying up to 6 months. Of course, he's not in the prison. He's somewhere else. So it's just to see what is happening in this country. Thank God for VDM. My prayer is for God to protect that guy. God should protect that guy because God, all eyes on him. May God protect that guy. Shame to Nigeria. Shame to EFCC. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. I'm hoping and counting on National Assembly to do the needful. To find out all those people that collected the money and do all this rubbish. They should bring them out and they should face the law. This is all I can say for now. I'm just passing by. Bye-bye.